This is feedback for Aisha on her bonus essay, the essay on why people, causes of people hating their job. So you did a few good things in this essay, Aisha. Great progression on your sentences. It's a lot better than your writing in the first week. So you're getting closer. It's not perfect, but you're definitely getting better with making writing and complete sentences. So that's really good. Also, I like your ideas. You do a good job of making a point and supporting it in this paragraph that you wrote for me, which is also good. You say here, government give people a lot of jobs, such as work in the government station, make people sad and bored. For example, if you work hard and every day your salary be like the same, not change to be high. Next thing is the people doesn't like, and you're using transitions as well. Next thing, so this is definitely transitions. So you did good with those. Things that you need to work on. This is supposed to be a full essay. I wanted to see your intro and your conclusion, and you don't have an intro or conclusion here. It's just a body paragraph and one body paragraph. Remember, your essay is going to be intro, two body paragraphs, and a conclusion. So I didn't see that from you, so I can't give you feedback. Also, your heading is still not correct. You have to I guess the only thing incorrect is this email here. You should just delete this email, and you need to have your ID over here next to your page number. Okay. Uh, so the sentences are not perfect. I'm not saying that, but you're getting better, much better than what you were doing in the first couple weeks. So good job. Maybe you want to rewrite this. I think we got a couple days until your essay is you're going to do the in class. So you should redo this, or at least write your intro and your conclusion, and then send it to me. Okay. Thanks. Good job.